Alrighty guys, what's going on today? So today I'm going to be talking to you all about the Wizgear Universal Stick-On Dashboard car mount. And so I actually had a car mount that I was using for quite a while for my phone. Basically, it stuck to the window, allowed me to hold my phone up on the window, so while I was driving I could do like everything hands-free. Thing is, it just after a while just wore out, and I decided to kind of go a different route and get a new one. One of my friends had this, and they've actually had it for quite some time, so I figured I would also get one too and kind of follow in their footsteps because it was looking like it was working. So I actually got a couple. I got one for myself, I got one for my girlfriend as well. So I already put mine on, and this is hers, and I just wanted to talk about kind of how I was feeling with it, and yeah, everything like that. So to begin, one reason I like this is because it's incredibly easy to use. I'll kind of, I guess, give you the lowdown. Basically, you stick this right on your mount, on your car dashboard. You have these plates that they give you right here, and these are like these gold magnetic plates. You just basically peel back the film that's on there and stick it to the back of your phone. You can do it either on your phone and then just, without your case, have it sitting there, or you can even do it through your case. So the cool thing is, I actually put my magnet piece on the phone and then put the case over it, and it actually still works. And I think it really depends on your case, so you might have to check that out, but it works for me. So, and I have a pretty thick case for what it is. I also give you a couple other things. Not really sure what these are, never had to use them. I think they're just kind of like foam things to, I'm not really sure totally. And they have some wipes as well. The wipes are, before you actually put this on your dashboard, you're supposed to clean it off. And it just basically makes it so that it's, you don't trap any dirt or anything else under it. And that way it sticks on for much longer. So yeah, it's great because, it doesn't utilize an air vent. The air vents in my car are a little weird, so I didn't want to get one of those. It's much easier to use than the air vent ones too. You're pretty much just like, you stick it on, you're basically good to go. You don't have to worry about really anything else. It's very powerful. That's what I've noticed is kind of like, at least in the past, I don't know, maybe like week or so of using it has really set it apart from the other ones that I've had in the past, is that it has a really strong hold, a really good force, that really holds your phone up, and I don't have to worry about it falling or anything, and that I'm talking about the back and also the magnet as well. Both of them are very strong. Cool thing is about this one too is it does swivel your phone as well. As you can see, it rotates in a complete 360, so you can swivel your phone really as you please. The base of the mount is going to remain pretty much stuck on your dashboard or wherever you put it the whole time, so that's not going to move, no matter how much swiveling you actually end up doing, which is pretty great. And this guarantees that your smartphone's pretty much always going to stay in the same position, and you don't have to I guess just worry about it. It is made out of, it feels like just like a very like plastic rubber sort of material. It feels very high quality though. It feels it's got some nice weight to it. It feels really solid, and then obviously you have the magnetic head. So there's got to be some sort of metal in there, and this is what's going to keep things sturdy, especially as you take off and your car starts vibrating and all that. I really also love that it's just like a plain black too. It works with any like modern car. It's very small, it's not noticeable when you're not actually using it, which is great because some of them can be kind of just jarring when you step into a car and you see a giant mount on someone's dashboard. So it kind of keeps your car looking modern, sleek, and everything like that as well. So yeah, overall, if you're looking for a new mount for your car or something like, anything for like a smartphone, then I would recommend getting one of these. Again, it's the Wizgear Universal Stick-On Dashboard car mount, and yeah, definitely check it out, you guys. All right, take it easy.